Oh, got it. So what, is he gonna have to like hammer it in or something? They're gonna pull? Oh, okay. Pull it with this bad boy. Ram 250 with lift. Who's got an XL? I need an XL with Sean's phone. I didn't come down to so I called the phone. What? No, he's gonna pull in the Sean down. Yeah. He helped pulling things? Yeah. Hey, let me get that on video. No, it's embarrassing. Don't even take a picture of that.
It's just an old t-shirt.
That's what I was about to say, do that shit.
Well, wouldn't it slip off the ball?
No, not if you get it tight. Dude, if he had mine, it would, once it gets enough touch. I'm going to talk to you on the phone, you know what I mean? I'll get my Mexico and I'll be like, put it on speaker or something. I do this shit all day long. We'll get the driveway wider. You're on a full real low. Here. You need to get on a full real low. I don't think it should. That's hooked up. This is crazy. We'll get the driveway widened, Dad. They're probably going to bring this trailer back again. Well, next time. You don't think they'll what?
I don't think they'll use it.
Mm.
Where's Sean? He's underneath now. You still come all the way forward and go back. You didn't like try and let the truck roll a little bit.
It'll be always back. Like, toward the back of the truck and then one forward. We're not mistaken.
Yeah, I just need to come up.
See y'all later! We got traffic blocks and everything. All kinds of shit. Good day on the Kentucky. Pull that thing! See ya! Bye! Got a big ass trailer. That's why we need one. See y'all later! What? They're gonna come back tomorrow. And I'm working out there tomorrow. Actually, we throw them in the back of somebody's truck. Yeah.